How to fix sun-faded car paint. When you store your car outside and uncovered frequently, you might notice some areas of the paint start to look a little sun-faded. Don't worry about paying for a whole new paint job. We have good news for you. There's actually a pretty simple way to restore the faded paint's color and brightness all on your own with a few car detailing supplies. It'll take some time and a lot of elbow grease, but it's an affordable and effective way to reverse the effects of sun exposure. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V-Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations of car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to fix sun-faded car paint. Washing and using a clay bar. 1. Wash your car thoroughly with car washing soap and a car washing sponge. Fill a bucket with water and add 1-2 O's, 29.559 ml of car washing soap. Spray your car down all over using a hose. Dip your sponge into the bucket of soapy water and scrub your car all over. Rinse off the soap suds with your hose to leave your car nice and clean. 2. Spray the faded areas of paint liberally with an automotive clay lube. Point the nozzle of a bottle of clay lube directly at the paint. Squeeze the spray bottle's trigger and move the nozzle around until the entire faded area is covered in lube. 3. Rub an automotive clay bar over the faded areas to remove micro dirt. Stretch the clay bar out into a hand-sized puck. Gently rub the clay across the paint using left to right or up and down motions. Use a microfiber cloth or a microfiber or a foam hand pad to reduce scratches. Buffing and polishing. 1. Wet an orbital car buffing pad and attach it to an electric buffer. Dip a clean buffing pad in a bucket of clean water or hold it under running water for a few seconds. Attach the wheel to the rotary disc of an electric buffer. 2. Apply about 1 TSP, 4.9 ml, of car buffing compound to the buffing pad. Put a small dab of buffing compound in the middle of the pad. You can always apply more as you work if you need to, so use the compound sparingly. 3. Polish the faded paint with the buffing compound. Press the buffing pad lightly against the faded area of the paint. Move the buffer over the area you're working on in even, overlapping strokes. Alternate between using left to right and up and down motions. 4. Wipe the compound off the surface with a microfiber cloth when it looks shiny. Rub the microfiber cloth firmly across the buffed area to remove all remaining residue from the buffing compound. Inspect the area to see if the color is restored to all the faded paint and feel it with your hands to check if it's smooth. 5. Repeat the process up to 3 times until you're happy with how the paint looks. Put another small dab of compound on the buffing wheel and press it lightly against the paint. Move the electric buffer side to side and up and down, overlapping each stroke until the paint looks bright and shiny. Wipe off the residue with a microfiber cloth and inspect the surface closely. 6. Apply 1 coat of finishing polish using a polishing wheel. Remove the buffing pad from your electric buffer and attach a polishing wheel. Put about 1 TSP, 4.9 ml, of finishing polish in the middle of the pad and apply it to the surface the same way you applied the compound. Waxing. 1. Rub wax onto the polished area with a microfiber cloth. Pour a small dab of car wax, about the size of a dime or penny, out onto a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Press the cloth with the wax against the area you polished and rub it in circular motions until you cover the whole restored area in wax. 2. Buff the wax off with a clean microfiber cloth. Grab another clean, dry microfiber cloth and press it against the wax surface. Rub it firmly against the surface using circular motions until there is no more wax residue and the surface looks nice and shiny. 3. Apply additional coats of wax if you want more protection and shine. Repeat the process to apply 1, 2, or even 3 additional coats of wax. The brightness of the paint gets noticeably deeper with every coat. And that's a wrap on how to fix sun-faded car paint. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.